welcome to our channel Eazy Btech. This is Trishna. In the last session, I had discussed about list concept. Today, in this session, I would like to tell about tuple concept. Let's see what is tuple. See here, tuple is exactly same as list except that it is immutable. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. That is, once we create tuple object, that we cannot perform any changes in that object. Hence, tuple is read-only version of list. Tuple is read-only version of list. So, if our data is fixed and never changes, then we should go for tuple. Insertion order is preserved, duplicate objects are allowed, heterogeneous objects are allowed. Tuple supports both positive and negative index. We can represent tuple elements within parentheses only, normal parentheses with comma separator. Parentheses are optional but recommended to use. Let's see here. We can represent tuple elements within parentheses with comma separator. Parentheses are optional but recommended to use. So what is the difference between list and tuple? So list is also take more than one object, means group of objects, group of single individual objects, group of object. List is also take group of objects. Tuple is also take group of objects. Then what is the difference between list and tuple? List is mutable, tuple is immutable. That is, once we created tuple objects, we cannot perform any changes on tuple. Okay, let's see. Tuple objects are enclosed within normal parentheses. Okay, type of T means tuple. T is equal to, I am entering 10, 20, 40 like this. Type of T, it is also display tuple. Okay, so see here, parentheses are optional but recommended to use. T is equal to 10, 89, 78. Type of T, it will also display tuple. Okay, actually these parentheses are optional to tuple but recommended to use. Tuple objects are enclosed within normal parentheses. Either you have to give or not, but recommended to use the parentheses. Okay, next. Tuple is exactly same as list. So, I am taking tuple of objects like 12, 89, 67, 55. Again, I am taking 89, 67, Python, Java, 89.78 like this. Just print T. It will generate in insertion order 12, 89, 67, 55, 89 like this. Okay, it will work on insertion order. And next, duplicate objects are allowed. 67 is there, again 67. Okay, duplicate objects are allowed. Heterogeneous, tuple also take heterogeneous, means different data type. Okay, insertion order is preserved, duplicates are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Tuple supports both positive and negative index. Okay, let's print T of 0. T of 0 means 12 is the answer. T of minus 1 means 89.78 is the answer. T of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 55 is the answer. Like this. Okay, so tuple supports both positive and negative index. It will take heterogeneous objects, tuple objects enclosed within normal parentheses. Okay, so see here, tuple is immutable. Immutable means non-changeable. When I am trying to change the tuple value, for example, T of 0. What is the T of 0 value? 12. I have to change this value 12. T of 0 is equal to like 345. When I want to change when I want to try to change tuple object, it will generate an error message, type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment, means it will not support because tuple is immutable. List is mutable. In list, it will change. In tuple, it is not changed. That is the difference between tuple and list. Okay. So let's see creating of tuple. Creation of tuple with empty parentheses. So creation of tuple with multiple values. I already told these two examples by using tuple function. By using tuple function, let's see here. T is equal to tuple of T is equal to tuple of, for example, Python. T is equal to tuple of Python. Okay, let's print T Python. Okay, so by using tuple predefined function. And next one is with dynamic input eval function. So see in programs example that fourth one. Next, important functions in not list tuple. Okay, important functions in tuple. Length, to calculate length of the tuple. Okay, to calculate length of the tuple. To calculate length of the tuple, just I am taking tuple of values. Tuple is equal to 56, 78, 90.89, 67, Python, Java, like this. Okay, important functions of tuple. So length, to calculate length of the tuple, it will calculate the length of the tuple. Len of t, len of t. What is the length of this tuple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the answer. Okay. So count of element. To count number of times a specified element present in tuple. T dot count of 78. 78. How many times are there? 78 is only one time. T dot count of Java. Java is also one time. T dot count of 100, either 1000. There is no 1000, it returns 0. Okay, the next predefined function is index of element. To find the index of specified element, for example, I am taking tuple of values like 10, 89, Python, Java, 89.78. Okay, so I have to find what is the index of Python. What is the index of Python? T dot index of Python. What is the index of Python? Is 2. 0, 1, 2 is the answer. So I have to find what is the index of 89.78. The answer is 4. Okay. So here I am giving T dot index of 1000. There is a 1000 value in T? No. There is no 1000 value in T. So it will generate an error message. That is nothing but value error. Tuple index of x. X is nothing but 1000. 1000 not in tuple. Okay. So this is about index predefined function. Okay. So these three functions are in also list. List concept, length, count of element, index of element. These three functions are available in list concept also. Next, sorted. To sort the elements based on natural sorting order. So see here, it is an important point, that is, see here, the tuple return the elements in list. Why? Because tuple is immutable. List is mutable. So tuple objects, whenever we are trying to change the values, so automatically the tuple elements, whenever we are giving sorted predefined function to tuple, the elements will be changed. After that, the elements will be returned to the list. The elements will be returned to the list. This is the important point. The tuple objects are sorted, but it will generate the result in list form. To sort the elements based on natural sorting order, that is nothing but ascending order, it will generate the result in list form. Okay, you have to follow one rule for sorted predefined function, that is nothing but wait 45 89 223 87. Tuple of objects can be homogeneous. The rule is what? Tuple of objects in homogeneous form, not in heterogeneous form. Sorted of, okay, sorted of T. Okay, so the result value will be generated in list form. Let's print T value. Okay, T value. There is no change in T value. See here, there is no change in T value. So elements can be sorted, but that elements will be resultant in form. Result form is in list. Elements can be sorted, but the result elements is in list form. Okay, next. What is the minimum? What is the maximum value of tuple? Just min of T, that is nothing but 10. Max of T, 233 is the answer. Okay, so see here, up to this there are 6 predefined functions are available in tuple. There is no remove function, there is no append function, insert function, pop function. These are present in list concept only, because list is mutable, tuple is immutable. That's why that the predefined functions are not there in tuple. Let's try that functions. They're like t dot append of a78. Whenever I'm trying to insert a value in the tuple, it's not inserted because append attribute, there is no append attribute in tuple. Okay, there is no append attribute in tuple, means there is no append predefined function for tuple. So append predefined function is work on list concept only. Append, remove. For example, I'm trying t dot remove of 10. No, it will not work. Again it will generate. There is no remove attribute in tuple, like this. Next concept, tuple packing and unpacking. What is packing? Group the different individual heterogeneous values into tuple. Group them. So for example, see here, A, B, C, D is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. I am grouping these values into the tuple. Like A, B, C, D is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. I am grouping this value. T is equal to A, B, C, D. Just I am printing T. Okay, this is about packing. What is unpacking? Unpacking means splitting a tuple into individual objects. Like T is equal to X, okay, splitting a tuple X, Y, Z. Sum Q is equal to T. Let's print X value is 10, Y value is 20, Z value is 30, Q value is 40. Okay, so this is about packing and unpacking. Let's move. Accessing elements of list. How we can access elements of list? So we can access the elements of the list by using index and by using slice operator. In the list also we can access the elements by using index order or by using slice operator, like this. I already told slice operator example in list concept. Slice operator example and syntax also. So here again I will tell the slice operator and index 12, 89, 78, Python. Java 899 like this. T of 0, we can access the elements by using index. T of 0 is nothing but 12. T of 6 is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no 6, it will generate index error. Okay. T of 5, the answer is 899. Okay. T of -2, the answer is Java, like this. Okay. So the next one is by using slice operator. By using slice means T of 1 to 4. It will work. So means it will print 1 to 3. What is the one value? 89 and 2 value 78. 3 value is Python. Okay. T of 1, 2 to 5. It will work 2, 3, 4. 2 means 78 Python Java. 78 Python Java. Okay. So here I am giving step value. So step value is whenever I am not giving starting index, it will work on from starting. It will work on from starting. Whenever I am not giving ending value, it will work up to ending. It will work up to ending. So whenever I am not giving starting value and ending value, it will print starting from ending. Okay. See here, I am giving a one step value, that is nothing but default value, that is 1. There is no change in answer. Exactly it will print like this. So T of, I am giving 2. 2 is nothing but the answer is 12, 78 Java. The answer is 12, 78 Java. So if I am giving step value is 3, then what will the answer? The answer is 12 Python. 12 Python. Okay. If I am giving negative index, means -1, it will generate the elements in reverse order. 899 Java, Python 78, 89, 12 is the answers. Okay. Next, adding tuples. We can add two tuples by using plus operator. We can add two tuples by using plus operator. Okay. See here, I am adding T is equal to 10, 20, 30, 78. So T like S is equal to Java, Python, C. T plus S, it will print 10, 20, 30, 78 Java, Python, C. But whenever we are printing T, there is no change in T value and there is no change in S value. Okay. So it will add and print this result only. There is no change in previous tuples because tuple is immutable. Okay. Next, to delete the tuple. How to delete the tuple? Like again I am taking T is equal to 10, 20, 30, 78. Let's print T value. Okay. DL of T. Let's print T. No. There is no T. There is no T value. So means there is no T variable. So here I am taking tuple of values. Just I am printing that tuple of values. After that I will delete that. I was delete that tuple value. After I am printing T value. So here I am deleted. I deleted T value. After that I am printing T value. So it will display name error. Why? Because there is no T variable in this form. That's why it will generate there is no T. So name T is not defined, means there is no variable T. Okay. Write a program to take tuple of numbers from the keyboard and print sum and average. Okay. Let's take T is equal to eval of input of enter tuple of values. Enter tuple of values. Okay, after I will enter the values. How? Okay, what I calculated? Print sum and average. Okay, print sum and average. For this step, for this I have to find length of the tuple. Len is equal to len of t. The length will be stored in t. For sum, I am taking 0 is the answer. Sorry, I am taking 0 to the one variable. I am taking for loop for I in t. I in t. One number will be stored in the first number will be stored in I, second number will be stored in I, like this. In that loop, I am calculating sum. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay. After that, print sum. After that, print average. How can I print sum? Sum by length. Just print it. Tuple. Tuple. Okay. Let's see. I'm executing this program. Let's take tuple of values 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. The answer is 100. 100. The average is 25.0. Okay. This is the example program of tuple. Okay. In this session, I told about tuple concept. What is a tuple? So, tuple, what is tuple? What is the difference between tuple and list? Tuple is exactly same as list, except it is immutable. Tuple is mutable. So insertion order is preserved in tuple and list also. Duplicate objects are allowed in list and tuple also. Heterogeneous objects are allowed in list and tuple also. Tuple supports both positive index and negative index. List is also support both positive index and negative index. We can represent tuple of elements within normal parentheses but in square brackets. And it is about creation of list and creation of tuple. Next, important functions of tuple: length, count, index. These three functions are available in list also. Sorted. In list, sort predefined function is there, but in tuple, sorted predefined function. Min and max functions are available in tuple. Okay. This is about tuple concept, and I will discuss in next session set concept. Okay. Set concept. I hope all of you understand up to this. Okay. Watch our videos regularly. Okay. Thanks for watching.